Ano na nangyari dyan? Hello, Anyan! Hello, Anyan!
Hello, teacher.
Oh, you forgot.
Yeah.
I told you to call me at 8 p.m., right?
Yeah.
So on Wednesday, we are going to start our lesson on 8 p.m., okay?
Yeah.
So it means we are having 2 lessons in Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, don't forget, what time are you going to call me?
8 o'clock.
Yes, 8 o'clock. Very good. Okay, how are you, Anyan?
I'm good.
You're good. Are you eating, right?
Now?
You're eating?
No.
What are you doing there? You're writing? What are you doing?
Yeah.
Are you
I'm
writing?
writing.
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's begin our lesson for tonight. Okay, Anyan, can you read the title, please?
Outdoor activity.
Okay, are we finished with this one or not yet?
Yeah.
We are finished with this one?
Yeah.
Okay, are you sure? Wait a minute, I'm going to check.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, maybe we are finished, so I will open one more. Okay. Okay, so Anyan, can you read the title of our lesson for tonight?
Unit 21. Here and there in town.
Okay. So, okay, so can you read the sentences on the screen, please, Anyan?
You can go and see a film here.
Next.
You can go this place to see a film. Where are you going? I'm going to see a film.
Okay, so what do you think is this place, Anyan? What do you think is this place? This is a place where we can watch a film. So what do you call that? Starts with letter C.
A cinema.
Okay, so it's a cinema. Okay, so let's have activity A. Where can you go to do these things in town? Okay, so look at the picture, Anyan. Can you think of 10 different places in a town, Anyan? Give me 10 names of a place that you can see in a town. Okay, what's number 1?
A hospital.
Hospital. Okay, next one.
Cinema.
Cinema. Next.
School.
School.
Playground.
Playground.
Cafe.
Cafe. Very good. Next.
History.
Again.
History.
A history or museum. Okay, that's correct. Next one.
Yeah.
Oh, that's 6 already. Give me 4 more. 4 more.
Food shop.
Again. Oh, give me 4 more. Do you have any more answers or nothing else? Is that all? Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so look at the 5 things you can do in A, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so where can you go for a swim, Anyan? What do you call that place? You can go for a swim in this place.
A swimming pool.
Okay, so a swimming pool is correct. How about this one? Where can you go to choose books?
A bookshop.
Bookshop, very good. Next. Where can you go to catch buses?
And I don't know.
It's a bus. What's that? Bus what?
Bus stop.
Yes, it's a bus stop. Very good. So wait a minute, Anya. I'm going to ask you some questions about the swimming pool, okay? So how about in your place, Anya? Do you have a swimming pool near your house?
No.
No. So where is the nearest swimming pool in your place? Or where do you go for a swim? Where do you go?
It's near my school.
Okay, so the swimming pool is near your school.
Yeah.
So when do you usually swim, Anyan? When do you usually swim?
No.
What day usually do you swim? What? On weekends or sometimes only?
Sometimes.
Okay, sometimes. Okay, so how about bookshop, Anya? Do you like to buy some books? Do you like reading?
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So what kind of books do you usually read?
Doraemon.
Doraemon, okay, so that is a comics, right?
Yeah.
So where do you buy your comics, Anyan?
In supermarket.
In the supermarket. So how about in a bookshop? Have you been to a bookshop, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So is there a bookshop near your place or is it far?
It's far.
It's far, okay. All right, so now let's have this next picture. So this is a picture of a bus stop, okay? So what do we do in a bus stop, Anyan? Can you tell me or can you explain it to me? What can we do in a bus stop?
We cut bus.
Yes, very good. We catch bus. How about in your place, Anyan? Do you have a bus stop?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So next one, Anyan, where do you go to see a doctor?
In the hospital.
Okay, in a hospital. So how about a hospital, Anyan? How about the hospital in your place? Is it big or small?
It's big.
It's big. Okay, that's nice. Next one, Anyan. Where do you go to buy some fruit?
In supermarket.
Okay, in a supermarket. So where is a supermarket in your place, Anyan? Where is it? Is it far or you just can walk going there?
Far.
Okay, so it means it's near because you can walk going to the supermarket.
Yeah.
Okay, so what can we do in the supermarket, Anyan?
We buy fruits.
Okay, we buy fruits. So aside from fruits, what other things can we buy inside the supermarket?
We can buy everything.
Yes. For example, give me an example.
And comic, a book,
Okay.
a school thing,
School things. And then what else?
a food,
Food. And then one more. Toy. What
teddy
else?
bear.
Teddy bear. Okay, very good. So let's have some vocabulary words here, Anyan. So what place do you think is on the picture? What do you think is that place?
The woman and the girl cut the train.
The girl catches train. So what do you call that place if a girl catches a train?
Yeah.
What's that place called?
I don't know.
Okay. So when you catch a bus, you call it a bus station, right? So how about this one? When you catch a train, what do you call this place?
Train stop.
Okay, train station. Okay, very good. So Anyan, have you tried riding on a train?
No.
Not yet? You don't have a train there in your place?
Yeah.
Yeah, because here in our place we don't have train too, but when we travel to some places, we are able to ride a train. So next one, Anyan, what is this place? What do you call this place?
It's bookshop.
Okay, a bookshop. So what can we buy in a bookshop, Anyan?
We buy book.
Very good. We buy books and comics. Okay, that's correct. Okay, third picture. What is this place?
It's cinema.
Okay, this is a cinema. Very good. And now, Anyan, what can you do in a cinema?
We see many films.
Okay, very good. We can watch a lot of kinds of film. So what is your favorite movie, Anyan?
It's Cocomelon.
Cocomelon. Okay, so how about a movie or what movie is your favorite to watch inside the cinema?
I don't know.
Okay. You forgot it?
No.
Okay, so let's go to the next one. So how about this place, Anyan? What is this place?
It's candy shop.
Yes, very good. It's a candy shop or sweet shop. Do you like eating candies, Anyan?
Yeah.
Wow, very good. So what is your favorite candy?
It's chocolate.
Wow, that's so delicious. Chocolate. Okay, how about this one? What is this place?
It's cafe.
All right, that is a cafe. So what can you eat or drink in a cafe?
Milkshake. Cafe.
Okay, good. You can drink a milkshake or a coffee. And then this one, what is this place?
A park.
Very good. It is a park. So what can you do in a park, Anyan?
You can walk. Do morning exercise.
Okay, that is correct. We can walk and do our morning exercise. Okay, so next one, what is on the picture?
Give.
What is that?
Give.
Is that a Vietnamese word?
No.
Again, what is this?
I don't know.
Okay, this is a postcard or a letter, okay?
Yeah.
Next one, what's this?
A bag.
Okay, it's a handbag or a bag. So what is your favorite color of, what color is your favorite bag, Anyan?
It's yellow.
Oh, yellow. So how about your school bag? What is the color of your school bag?
It's pink.
Pink. Oh, I thought your favorite color is yellow.
My mother gave me a pink bag.
Your mother gave you a pink bag. Okay. Yeah. So next one, what is this picture?
A chair.
Very good, a chair. So how many chairs do you have in your bedroom, Anyan?
2 chairs.
Okay, you got 2 chairs inside your bedroom. Very good. So now, Anyan, let's have activity B. Look and read, okay? Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. Okay, so look at the picture, Anyan. Okay, now, example, okay? People go here to see different animals like bears and tigers. So the answer is a zoo. Okay, so number 1, Anyan, read and choose your answer from the pictures.
There are lots of beds in this room. Doctor work here is a hospital.
Okay, hospital. Number 2.
You can make this from vegetable, then put it in a bowl. Soup.
Soup. Very good. Number 3.
People sit and have a drink and talk to their friends here. A cafe.
Cafe is correct. Number 4.
This fruit can be red or green. You can eat or drink it juice. Eat grapes.
It's grapes. Okay, next one, number 5.
You can buy lots of different food in this store. A supermarket.
Okay, very good. Supermarket. Last one.
Mother often gives this white drink to babies in milk.
It's a milk, of course. So do you still drink a milk, Anyan?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Because drinking milk is good for our bones. Okay, now let's have letter C activity. Read Jane's postcard and write the correct words. Okay, let's see. Okay, so Okay, so now, Anyan, can you read first the letter?
O. Work. Cow. Tennis. Lunch. Badminton. Sleeping. Stopping. Father.
Okay, so can you read the letter of Jane, please?
Hi, Grandpa. It's great here. We did go to the beach this morning. We drove to the town to go from work there. We had lunch there too. We found a cafe near the market with lots of chairs outside. Mom had prepared soup and Dad and I had salad. Then we went to the market to buy some fruits. My mom bought a new handbag there too. It's the end of the afternoon now, and we're in the park. Mom's sleeping under a big tree. Oh, Dad wants to play badminton now. I got to go. See you. Love, Jane.
Okay, very good. So now, Anyan, question number 1. Where do you think is Jane now?
Jane is in the beach.
Okay, on the beach? Oh, wait. Where's Jane now? On the beach, in the park, or in the mountain? Where do you think is she?
Is on the beach.
Okay, on the beach. So do you think Jane liked the place?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Did Jane have lunch on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, so they found a cafe near the market. Okay, so that is the place where they eat. So of course it's near the beach. Okay. Next question, Anyan. Who is Jane on holiday with?
Is her parents.
Okay, very good. With her parents. Okay, so now let's answer some sentences here. Okay, number 1, Anyan. Oh wait, you're going to choose your answer from the yellow circle, okay?
Yeah.
So let's start. Number 1 is an example. Jane and her family went to the town this morning. Okay, so number 2, read and answer.
They had they had lunch in a cafe that was near the market.
Okay, good.
Jane,
Number 3.
Jane's father had some salad in the cafe.
Okay, 4.
They bought some food and a handbag in the market.
Okay, number 5.
Jane's mother is sleeping in the park now.
Okay, good job. Last one, number 6.
Jane's father wants to have a game of badminton in the park.
Yes, badminton in the park. Very good, girl, Anian. You got a perfect score of 5 points. Good job. So now, Anian, let's talk about holidays. Okay, so question number 1. Where do you go in the holidays, Anian?
Here in Halong Bay.
In Halong Bay. Okay, that is a nice place, right?
Yeah.
So what can you do in Halong Bay?
I swimming on the beach.
You swim on the beach. Okay, very nice. So are there lots of people who go there for a vacation?
Yeah.
Okay, so how about the sand in Halong Bay? What is the color of the sand, Anian? Is it gray, is it brown, or is it white?
It's white.
Wow, it's a white sand in Halong Bay. Very good. So how about going in a park? Have you tried spending your holiday in the park, Anian?
Yeah.
And then what can you do in the park?
I play with my sister.
Oh, you play with your sister. Very good. And then what else do you do there with your family?
I do morning exercise.
Okay, you do morning exercise. Very good. Okay, now who's with you on holidays, Anian?
In my family.
Your family, of course. How about your friends? Have you tried spending your holiday with your friends when you don't have classes at school?
Yeah.
Okay, so what are you doing with your friends?
I go picnic.
Wow, you go picnic, and then what food do you bring in your picnic?
And many.
Many. Okay, very good. Next one. What do you do in holidays? What do you do in holidays?
I play on the beach.
You play on the beach. How about when you spend your holiday at home, Annie? And what do you do at home?
I play. I watch TV.
Okay, you play and you watch TV. Very good. Okay, now, Anya, let's have activity B. Listen and tick the box. Okay, so listen first to the audio file, and then after that, let's answer the questions, okay? So let's begin, Anya.
(21D). Here and there in town. Listen and tick the box. Example: where does May's brother work?
Where does your brother work, May? Does he work in a shop?
Not now. He works in a bank.
Which one?
The one opposite the cinema.
1. Which is Kim's dad?
Is your dad in town today, Kim?
Yes, but he isn't at the supermarket.
Oh, is he at the market then? It's market day today.
I know, but Dad's at the library this morning.
2. Where did Dan have lunch?
Did you have lunch at home, Dan?
No, Grandma. We had a picnic on the grass at the zoo.
You didn't eat in the cafe there then?
No.
3. What is Lily doing?
What's Lily doing? Is she having a swimming lesson?
No, she's fishing with her friend.
Oh, and where's her sister?
She's helping at the farm today.
4. What is Aunt Lucy doing?
Hello, Aunt Lucy. Are you at the hospital?
No, I'm waiting to buy my ticket.
At the train station?
No, at the bus stop. I'm coming to see you.
5. Where is Charlie's bag?
Where's your bag, Charlie? Why haven't you got it?
It's okay, Mom. It's in our classroom.
Not in the sweet shop or in the playground again.
No, Mom. Don't worry.
Okay, so now let's check the answers. Number 1, which is Kim's dad? What's your answer?
E.
Okay. So letter B is... Okay, letter B is correct. Number 2, where did Dan have lunch? Your answer is... What's the letter of your answer, Anyan? Can you tell me?
C.
C. Next one. What is Lily doing? What's the letter of your answer?
A.
A. Okay, next one. What is Aunt Lucy doing?
B.
B. Very good. Last one. Where is Charlie's bag?
A.
A. Very good. 5 points for you, Anyan. Very good. Okay, now let's have letter F. Play the game. Connecting words. Okay, let's see. What do we have here? Okay, so let's skip that one. So listen and say super soup. Okay, so can you read the words on the screen?
Juice. You. New. Food.
Okay, so all these words has oo sound. Okay, can you say oo?
Juice. Juice.
No. You just say oo.
Oo.
Okay, so all these words have oo sound. Okay, so now can you read the next batch of words?
Soup. Super soup. Juice. And beautiful. Food. Too. For you. And all new. Super food market.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now let's answer this homework, but let's answer it tonight. Where can you go to for a swim, Anyan? What is answer number 1?
Yeah.
So what is your answer number 1, Anyan? Where can you go for a swim?
A pool swim.
Okay, pool swim or swimming pool?
Swimming pool.
Yes. Number 2, Where can you go to ride your bike?
In the park.
Yes, of course, in the park. Number 3, do you like living in a town or in a city?
In a town.
Okay, why? Why do you like living in a town, Onion?
Because it's quiet and quiet.
Because it's quiet. Okay, and
Yeah.
then there's less cars and motorcycles, unlike in the city, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next one. Write 5 things in your town. Okay, so now, Onion, give me 5 places that we can see in a town. Okay, number 1, give me one place.
It's quiet.
No. 5 places that we can see in your town. Okay, what's number 1?
It's hospital.
Hospital, next.
Bookshop.
Bookshop, okay, very good. Next, number 3.
It's swimming pool.
Swimming pool. 4.
It's pool.
School. And last one, number 5.
A park.
It's a park. Okay, good job. So now, number 5. What do you like doing on holiday, Onion?
I like play on the beach.
You like playing on the beach, okay.
Yeah.
So how about when it's winter? What do you like doing on winter holiday?
It's sunny.
Yeah, it's sunny. And then what do you like doing on a sunny weather?
I like play sport.
Okay, you like playing sport. So what is your favorite sport again, Onion?
I like badminton.
Wow, badminton. Very good. So who do you play with when you play badminton?
I play with my father.
Your father. Okay, very good. Okay, so Onion, we are finished with our class for tonight. Okay? So Onion, don't forget on Wednesday, our class will start at 8 o'clock. Okay?
Yeah.
So on Wednesday, we have 2 classes. Okay, don't forget.
Yeah.
All right. Good night, Onion.
Good night, teacher.
See you on Wednesday.
See you again.
Chukmungon.
Bye.
Goodbye.